Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In the last video, we saw DMAX. Here in this video, we'll see DMIN. D for database, min for minimum. So DMAX picks up the function examines a list of information, produces the largest value. Whereas DMIN is this function examines a list of information, produces smallest value from a specified column. It is very similar to DMAX. So let's see. Here we have the sales data. So this is our data list, and we'll find the minimum sales for various criterias. So we want to find the minimum sales of chocolate. So let's see. D min open bracket and the database list. So we'll select the entire database list. Okay, then comma, the second argument would be the field from where we want the minimum value. We want the minimum value from the field total. So we'll select total H2. Okay, comma, and the criteria. Our criteria is from sales group chocolate. So this sales group, it will find all chocolate, and wherever it finds chocolate, it will see for the lowest value of the chocolates. So I see this is the criteria sales group chocolate. Okay, and close the bracket. It found there are four records, and among them, this 9,17,000 is the lowest. So let's see for Chennai. So total sales of Chennai is the lowest sales. There are different sales groups. Let's see. So D mean open bracket, select the database, comma, from field I want to find out, and the criteria is region Chennai. Close the bracket. Let's look for another example. DMIN open bracket, database, comma, from the field where we want the lowest value is it this one, comma, and the criteria. Close the bracket. Medium sales of sales. We'll see the last example. Open and select the database. Here we have the database. So comma, and we want the minimum from field say total, and the criteria is sales group coffee, and close the bracket. Enter. So you get the minimum sales. Yeah. So I hope you like this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jairam.